Hello everyone, today we are going to create this beautiful text animation on just PowerPoint. So, let's get started. Get the text box. I type my text in the text box. You can give your text in here. Select the text. To change font style, I gave link to download this font style, for free. Increase the font size into 50. Select the second text field, change the font style and make it bold. You can move your text, using Tab key on your keyboard. Okay, our text box is complete. Let's pick the rectangle shape. I draw my shape in here. Remove the shape outlines, change the fill color. Get the duplicate copy, using Ctrl+D. Resize the shape little bit larger. Get the another rectangle shape, remove shape outline, change the fill color. Get the duplicate copy using Ctrl+D. Please note, try to use short keys on your keyboard, it's good help for you, during the designing and to save your time. Okay, I create all the shapes we want. Now I place my shapes one by one in their right places. Right-click, send to back. Right-click, bring to front. Right-click, bring to front. Okay, my friends, let's start to add animations for all these shapes. you can move your animation's paths, using this red and green dots like this, and hold the Shift key on your keyboard, to move smooth animation path, just like this. If you any question about this tutorial, please tell me in the comments section. I really happy to help you. If you are beginner to PowerPoint, you can watch my other tutorials, to get basic knowledge. I am doing very slowly, because I try to help everyone. Congratulations, our animation part is complete. Okay, if you like this tutorial, you can give like and comment, and don't forget share with your friends, and press the subscribe button with bell icon. See you next video, bye bye.